We at Penkraft are in the business of identifying, practicing, teaching, and promoting art forms. The modern art form of watercolors painting is considered both a painting and a medium. Watercolors are prepared for use by mixing the paint, which is available in both forms as cakes and tubes, with water and varying the amount of pigment to get different tones and shades. The most striking feature of watercolors is their transparency, which gives a fresh look to the painting. Different techniques are used to create watercolor paintings, which include different types of washes, dabbing, dry brushing, and others. This Watercolors Masterclass by Penkraft is an intense 7 days offline training conceived and conducted by our master trainers, teaches you this art from scratch and gets you to master it. You shall start by learning use of various brushes and surfaces, surface preparation and base coat application, watercolors wash, how to mix colors with water to get different tones, then learn wet on wet or transparent technique, opaque technique, learn painting flowers, leaves, fruits and trees, painting animals, birds and human figures, move on to landscapes, forest and waterscapes, and conclude with finishing care and maintenance of watercolors masterpieces. You shall create this art on greeting cards, bookmarks, envelopes and canvas. All material for the course is provided by Penkraft and all you need to bring along is your enthusiasm to learn. The next batch starts from 19th October and will be conducted from 11 am to 6 pm every day till 25th October. To ensure personal guidance by the master to each participant, the batch size is limited to 6. Early sign-ups also get a massive discount of 20% on the fee. So, hurry up and call us on 9136024248 or 730408833 to sign up for this Watercolors Masterclass.